कल के जलसे में जो ख़वातीन मौजूद थी उनके ठुमके ये बता रहे थे कि वो कहाँ से आई हैं। मैंने सिर्फ ये कहा कि उनका ये एक्शन जो है ये बता रहा था कि वो कहाँ से आई।
ये सिर्फ अपना ब्लैकबेरी फ़ोन ऐशा गुलेली जो कि खातून है और सियासी वर्कर है, उनके मुताबिक ऊपर जो सरेंडर करें, मैं इनसे मदद करने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
Rana's ثناء's initial derogatory remarks, coupled together with his appalling retraction and refusal to apologize, are unsurprising owing to his track record of abusing and insulting women. Women are being used as instruments of barter to settle scores between male politicians. And if Rana ثناء truly wants to bring Imran Khan forward to face the allegations of sexual harassment leveled against him, that would be fair, but to target other women in PTI to do so seems like a clear justification for misogyny and sexism.
आगे उसने जो अल्फाज इस्तेमाल किए मैं नहीं दोहराऊंगा और कोई भी शरीफ आदमी किसी बच्ची के मुतालिक नहीं दोहराएगा।
The fundamental rights that are guaranteed in the Constitution, including Articles 15 to 17 on freedom of association, freedom of assembly, freedom of movement, and Articles 25 to 26, which pertain to non-discrimination and equality, they're there inter alia to safeguard equal access to public spaces, gatherings, political rallies for men and women. So where such comments are made by senior leaders of political parties, and in fact, female leaders within the PML-N, for instance, Maiza Hamid, have not been able to condemn such remarks, our constitution is seriously disrespected and such violations cannot be tolerated.
थोड़ी सी एथिक्स होनी चाहिए, थोड़ी सी शर्म